my loves, welcome back. Today we are going to be making some carrot juice or carrot punch. And for that, you're gonna need at least 3 medium carrots, peeled and cooked until you can pierce it with a fork. Also, you're gonna need a can of condensed milk, a can of Subogen, a bottle of Guinness, 1 cup cow's milk, and a tablespoon each cinnamon and nutmeg, or as much as you like. Also, a tablespoon of vanilla essence. So really and truly guys, this drink is one shot. All you need to do is add everything to your blender and blend until smooth. It's that easy and it is so delicious. You need to try. Please make sure your carrots have cooled before you begin this process, and you can add your liquid in any order. I started out with my milk and my Subogen. Now I'm gonna add my Guinness for my second blending. To finish off this delicious drink, I added 2 tablespoons of sugar just to sweeten it a little bit more, and I added a half cup of water. That was it. It needed nothing else. It was perfect, rich, creamy, delicious, so tasty. Please let me know if you like this video. If you like more videos like this, share, thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.